For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about Parkinson disease. First, description of disease. Parkinson disease is a typically considered a chronic progressive neurodegenerative movement disorder. However, it is now known to have a variety of non-motor symptoms as well. Parkinson's disease is a chronic progressive disease of the characterized by cardinal features, rigidity, bradykinesia, tremor, and postural instability. Parkinson's disease is a disorder of the central nervous system that affect the movement, often including tremor. Nerve cell damage in the brain and cause the dopamine level to drop and leading the symptoms of Parkinson's. Dopamine allows the smooth coordination functions of the body muscles and movement when approximately 80% of dopamine producing cells are damaged. The symptoms of Parkinson's disease is disappear. Next, definition. Parkinson disease, it is characterized by tremor at rest, rigidity, and slowness or difficulty in initiating or executing movement, means akinesis or bradykinesis. This combination of clinical features is collectively known as a Parkinsonism. Parkinsonism is a syndrome with numerous causes, of which Parkinson disease is most common. Akinesis means absence or loss of the power in voluntary movement due to an extrapyramidal disorder. Bradykinesia or slowness of movement is one of the three main signs of Parkinson's along with the tremor and rigidity. Causes. First is advanced age. Above 60 years or mostly seen while young onset Parkinson disease is called a patient to develop a Parkinson disease between 21 to 40 years. Next, sex. Male are more likely to get than female. Family history. Having one or more close relatives with the disease increase the rise of getting low estrogen level. Most menopausal women don't use hormonal replacement therapy, are more risk to getting the disease. Agricultural work exposed to the environmental toxins such as pesticides and herbicides. It induces the dopamine production and promote free radicals to damage. Those involved in farming and are exposed to such toxins have a greater risk of getting the disease. Then low level of vitamin. People with low level of vitamin B develop severe Parkinson's symptoms. Next cause is head trauma. Trauma to the head and neck, upper cervical spine increase the enhance to getting a Parkinson's. And next is a genetic mutations, means advanced age, sex, family history, low estrogen level, agricultural work, low level of vitamin, head trauma, genetic mutations. These all are the causes of Parkinson disease. Other causes, secondary Parkinson's, which are caused by other disorders such as neoplasm, then multiple cerebral infarction and infection of the brain. Drug induced Parkinsonism, which are irreversible or causative drugs, includes neoleptic, haloperidol and risperidone and antiemetic drug. Alzheimer's disease, often accompanied with mild sign of Parkinsonism and multiple system atrophy, means MSA. These all are the other causes of Parkinson disease. Next, pathophysiology, antipsychotic drugs, encephalitis and other causes. affect the substantial nigra and destructions of dopaminergic neuronal cells in the substantial nigra in the basal ganglia. Due to the affect the substantial nigra, it causes the destruction of dopamine producing in neurons within the basal ganglia. Neuronal cell loss and depigmentation is occur. Due to that, reduce the amount of available striatal dopamines means inhibitory effect and degenerations of dopaminergic activity, particularly in nigrostriatal pathway, and there is a increase acetylcholine means exhibitory effect, an imbalance between acetylcholine and inhibiting the dopamine neurotransmitter in a corpus striatum. Due to that impairment of extrapyramidal tract controlling the complexes of body movement and difficulty in controlling and initiating voluntary movement means that cause a tremor, rigidity, akinesis, bradykinesis, then slowness. These all. Next, clinical manifestation. First, rigidity. One of the clinical hallmark of Parkinson disease. Uh, It increases the resistance of passive motion. Spinal stress reflex are normal. There are the mainly two types of rigidity: cogwheels and lead pipe rigidity. First, cogwheel rigidity, jerky, recheck like a resistance of passive movement and muscles alternately tense and relax, and lead pipe rigidity means non-functional more substantial resistance to passive movement. Next is a tremor. It is a involuntary associated of body part occurring at slow frequency of 4 to 6 Hz. It is described as a resting tremor as it is typically present at a rest and disappear with voluntary movement. Manifested pill rolling tremor of the hand and completely diminished during the sleep. Next is a postural rigidity means narrowing of basal support and competing attention demand to increase a postural instability, increasing difficulty during a dynamic destabilizing activity like walking, turning and functional reach. Next sign is slowness of movement, then gait and abnormal stop postural contribute to development affect the fasting gait characterized by progressive increase in speed with shortening of strider. Gait can be un Gait can be forward fasting gait or backward fasting gait. Some patients are also to stop only when they come in a contact with an object or a wall. Next symptoms is a speech change. Dysphagia means impaired the swallowing as a result of reducing mobility and restricted range of movement. It is lead to the choking, aspiration, pneumonia and impaired the nutrition with significance and weight loss. Then akinesis, postural instability, hypophonia. Hypophonia means is a soft speech, especially resulting from a lack of coordinating inner vocals muscles culture. Then after dystonia, drooling, fatigue, akinesia and dysphagia, these all are the causes sign and symptoms of Parkinson's disease. First, again I am repeat the symptoms: rigidity, tremor, postural rigidity, gait, then after speech change, voice, hypophonia, akinesia, the dystonia, drooling, fatigue, akinesis, and dysphagia. Trap. Trap means T stands for tremor, means shaking, usually starting on one side. Rigidity, stiffness of limbs, neck or trunk. Akinesis, loss or impairment in power of voluntary movement. P. Postural and balance means tremor, rigidity, akinesia, and postural imbalance. These are four main sign and symptoms of Parkinson disease. Then after non-motor symptoms, in a non-motor symptoms, changing behavior, oily skin, vision problem, mood change, thinking, sensation, and weight loss. Next, diagnostic evaluation. Criteria for making of Parkinson disease include the following. First, talks the patient's history and perform complete neurological examination. Then second, CT scan or MRI of a head to rules of secondary causes. PET scan to evaluate levodopa uptake and conversion to dopamine in the corpus stratum, decreasing the dopaminergic activity in a substantial nigra. Scan to evaluate levodopa uptake and conversion to dopamine in the corpus stratum. Then fourth is a final diagnosis is usually made by to the pressure of heavy bodies in the brain during a autopsy. Next, management. There are the complete cure of Parkinson disease. Treatment is directed to controlling symptoms and maintaining functional independence. There are any medical or surgical approach that prevents the disease progression. Care is individualized for each patient based on preventing symptoms and social, occupational, and social needs. Pharmacological management is the mainstay of treatment. Anti-Parkinsonism medicine. First, levodopa, L-dopa. It is the most effective agent, and the maintaining the treatments of controlling the symptoms, particularly bradykinesia and rigidity. Then second medicine is a dopamine receptor antagonist. These are the drugs that activate or stimulate the dopamine receptor. They mimic or copy the functions of dopamine in the brain. Dopamine agonist can be taken alone or in combination with levodopa. In the dopamine receptor antagonist, two classification: ergot derivatives, bromocriptine or pergolide, and non-ergot derivatives, ropinirols. Then monoamine oxidase inhibitor. It blocks an enzyme that causes premature of levodopa and one primarily to treat motor functions associated with levodopa treatment. Salicylic and rosagiline. Next is COMT inhibitors, means catechol-methyl transferase. It does not have a direct effect on Parkinson symptoms. It's a prolong the effect of levodopa by blocking its metabolism, such as a telcofen response is the newest classifications of Parkinson disease. Next is anticholinergic. Anticholinergic, it is helpful in controlling tremors and rigidity. Benzotropine mesylate. Next is antidepressants. Amitriptyline is a typically prescribed because of the anticholinergic or antidepressant effect, serotonin reuptake the inhibitors, then fluoxamine and hydrochlorides, effective for the treating of depressions in a patient with Parkinson disease. Next is surgical management. First is a thalassotomy. It involves the destructions of parts of thalamus, generally in ventrals intermediates means VIM, receive the tremor. When rigidity and akinesia are prominent, other target deep brain stimulations of both globulus pallidus interna and subthalamic nucleus STN are preferred. When VIM nucleus is considered the best target of tremor suppression, with excellent short and long term tremor suppressions in 80 to 90% of patients with Parkinson disease. Next is pallidotomy. Pallidotomy is a neurosurgical when by tiny electrical probes is placed in the globulus pallidus, which is then heated to 80 degrees Celsius for 16 seconds to destroy a small area of brain cell. It is effective for treating involuntary movements known as a dyskinesia or motor symptoms present with Parkinson disease. Deep brain stimulation. Deep brain stimulation is a neurosurgical procedure which was first approved in 1997 to treat Parkinson disease tremor, then in 2002 for the treatment in advanced Parkinson disease symptoms. Deep brain stimulation involves the implantations of placement thin electrode into the selected deep part of the brain. The target area of the brain depend on the presenting symptoms. The most common target area are thalamus or subthalamic nucleus and globulus pallidus. Next is nursing management. First, nursing assessment. Obtain a history of symptoms and their effects on functioning, mobility, communication, feeding, and self care deficit. Assess cranial nerve, cerebral functions, and motor functions. Observe gait and perform of activities. Assess speech for clarity and space. Assess for sign of depression. Assess family support and assist to social services. Next, nursing diagnosis. First, impaired physical mobility related to bradykinesia, rigidity, and tremors. Second, imbalanced nutrition less than body requirement related to motor difficulties with feeding, chewing, and swallowing. Third, impaired verbal communication related to decreased speech and volume. Fourth, constipation related to diminished motor functions and inactivity. Fifth, ineffective coping related to physical limitation and loss of independence. Nursing intervention improve mobility, enhance self-care activity, improve bowel elimination, improve nutrition, enhance swallowing, encourage the use of assistive device. Conclusion. Parkinson disease is a chronic progressive neurological disease that results from the loss of neurotransmitter dopamine in a group of brain structure that control movement. The cardinal symptoms are resting tremor, rigidity, and postural instability. The goal of management is to control the manifestation such as motor and non-motor symptoms with the lowest possible dose medication in order to avoid side effects. Medication selection and doses depend on manifestation, age of the client, and the presence of their medical conditions. Nursing care should focus on the health assessment, medication administration, monitoring, liaising with other members of the healthcare team, and family members and family education. I hope you all are learn very well. So thank you so much guys.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.